A golden fish has no hidden place. Obi is a golden fish at the moment. There are two persons who have been discussed very seriously by APC people. Atiku and Peter Obi. Do you understand? And either you like it or not, these are, for now, these are a bit known opposition against coming in with the intention of taking over what APC is occupying today, which is presidency. Atiku is not a very serious matter for so many reasons. There's nothing to really say about Obi, so they have to look for something to say about
Obi. I wanted to point it to you. Do you see any comparison between Peter Obi and Atiku in terms of rating?
Well,
political rating, or relevance.
Well, Obi has not served as a vice to anybody. You know, serving as
not in that respect. Okay. In the respect of acceptability by the people now.
No. Atiku has never had organic followers. Atiku's support in 2019 was hinged on two things. It was a turn of the north.
Wanted to push Baba away.
People didn't want Buhari anymore. And now Atiku now came to run with Obi. Okay, since you are running with Obi, okay, maybe the ticket is viable.
Sell him, yeah.
Those were only two things. People were tired of Buhari. That's all. Atiku doesn't have any organic followers. Where is his base? Is it the youth, women, or the PDP board of trustee members?
Political gagoons.
Who are his? Not even in the north. Not even in the north. He has no organic follower because he has no program that is known. Obi is known for one thing: frugality, prudence. Do you understand? We do know very, very well that if Obi was elected president of Nigeria, he wasn't going to buy aircraft the next day for the presidency.
Aircraft.
He was not going to do
aircraft.
That. Let's leave fiscal policy. We can come there.
Yes.
He's going to hire people that will do better. You know, they always say, he's a trader, this and that. He is not a fool. He's a successful
and he will put them on.
He was one of the youngest bank chairman in record history in Nigeria. So he knows how to hire people where he's limited. But I do know very well that this wasteful spending of buying vehicle every time will not be done. And one of the things plaguing us very terribly is wasteful spending.
So whether Rufai, Peter Obi, Atiku, if the three of them come together and form a coalition, it will be a very good coalition to win election.
To win election.
Right? And this is how it would work. Peter will be at the top. Any other person to deputize Peter Obi. But with the support of Atiku and Rufai, you cannot beat that ticket. Nobody. Tinubu will be scared of that ticket.
But now that Atiku wants to be president,
Rufai
seems to the same thing.
In 2027 will be 81 years old.
Atiku doesn't care. He's been running for this thing like 3 times now, right? Since 2015.
You remember the song? Eh? You remember the song? You can only run.
Okay.
Atiku can only run. He is the unfortunately the best time for Atiku to bow out of this presidential race was 2023, and he would have just supported Peter Obi, and it would have been a glorious thing for him. Because there was there is this subtle unwritten agreement of the North and the South, in Nigeria. Every Nigerian voter has that thing in his mind, his mindset, right? For this next election, everybody still believes that it is the South. See, it may change. Situations may change it, right? Take, for instance, 2027, Peter Obi may win Tinubu and becomes the president and then performs excellently well. And everybody knows that, for someone that has done this and that, no, we cannot do 4 years. He should actually do more based on performance, right? It may change. But you see, whether we like it or not, if things don't go well, by 2027, by 2031, right? Everybody will be thinking the North again. Even the North again, the Northerners will be thinking, It's been here for a while. Let's come to this side. Because whether we like it or not, that's the way Nigeria is divided. Now, Atiku should have done the calculation
I'm telling you.
in 2023 and realized that, look, I am out of this game. 7 years down the line. No, 8 years. Right? If Atiku will be...
Let me ask you a question.
When a masquerade overstays in the arena, the uninitiated will throw sand at it. The Ijele masquerade is a big masquerade. But the mark of the beauty of Ijele from the southeast is to dance and leave the stage when the ovation is still loudest. Atiku Abubakar has paid his price in Nigerian political landscape as far as I am concerned. He should have bowed out before the last general election, but he miscalculated, whipping on the sentiments of the northern factor, and it backfired. The time for Atiku Abubakar to redeem himself is now. Those sentiments that made him lose the election of 2023 have not disappeared. If Atiku miscalculates again, he will be forced to retire from Nigerian politics and bow out in shame, becoming a serial presidential runner. For the obedience, all hope is not lost. But do not fall into the dream or the false dream that Obi will do it alone. The Rufai factor is still there. For the next general election to be won by Nigerian people, for Nigerian people, and by the Nigerian people, Obi remains the politician that represents the hope of the youth, the hope of the Nigerian masses, and a hope for a new Nigeria. Rufai, Atiku Abubakar must come together to redeem Nigeria from the hands of the oppressors. And the time is now. See something? Say something? And please do something. The man dies in he who keeps quiet in the face of tyranny. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Kindly remember to subscribe, share the video, and we have to meet here again in this arena. Cheers.